basically have the Miata done, except for it doesn't run. I put the lower coolant hose on, which I forgot until I tried to put coolant in it. I put the mid pipe on, hooked up the O2 sensor, hooked up all the fuel lines, connected the oil pressure sending unit, basically all the stuff that it needed. And then I fired it over and it wouldn't crank. And then I checked everything repeatedly, still wouldn't crank. Sprayed some starting fluid in it and it would crank, and pulled a spark plug out and it is firing, which I kind of figured it would because it ran with the starting fluid. But either way, narrowed it down to fuel, basically. Checked the fuel fuse under the hood and it was good. And finally took the like the carpet off the rear deck and checked power at the fuel pump plug, and it's getting 12 volts when you try to start the car, but there's no fuel coming out of the line. So basically I went ahead and ordered a Walbro 255, the high pressure one, and the install kit, and a new fuel filter, because number one, I think that's going to fix my problem. Number two, I'm planning on putting a turbo on it anyway, so it wouldn't be a terrible thing to have. So hopefully in the next couple of days, the fuel pump will show up, I'll throw it in, and the car will run. That's the plan, at least.